Let's be very honest, with the inflation right now, it is pretty hard to live off only one job. Right now, I can see more and more people having one job and one side hustle. And this is becoming a new norm, especially when the cost of living is increasing. That being said, this is one popular side hustle which I have tried personally. That is TikTok Shop. And in this episode, we're going to talk a little bit about how to open an account with less than 5,000 followers. So full disclosure, I've seen some people apply for it successfully, and I have also seen some people which did not succeed in their application using this particular method, which I will be showing you on my desktop.
Okay, so the first thing to do is to find TikTok Shop. And to do so, let's go on Google and we will type TikTok Shop affiliate, press enter. And what really helps is if we spelled it correctly. So thank you Google for correcting my error. And what we can do is click on TikTok Shop Seller Center. So I'm from Malaysia. I will just click this button over here and let me just try to sign up. So I'll click this button on the top. So over here under business type is an individual, and shop name, I'm going to call it Adnan's Shop, right? And what product am I going to sell? For now, I'm going to pick books. I love to read. So the next, we're going to upload our ID and then our phone number, so on and so forth.
After you have filled up the form, right now you have to wait for a couple of minutes to get a reply from TikTok. If you succeeded, congratulations. That being said, if your application has been denied, these are some of the tips which I can share with you. For me personally, when I opened my TikTok Shop account, I had below 2,000 followers, which is way below 5,000. That being said, I managed to successfully open my affiliate account via TikTok Shop. And I think what really helped with the successful opening was that I created a couple of videos in that particular account. And this helped showcase to TikTok that my content was within the community guidelines and also family friendly. So should your application be not successful, maybe try posting a little bit of content and then apply for TikTok Shop again. With that, best of luck.